How to buy AIGMX by Virtuos token. This token came under the symbol of AIGMX. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. Don't forget to engage with their community. So after that, to be able to buy this token, go and this token is available on the screen as you can see here. So to be able to buy this token, make sure you have an account on the screener. And after that, what you need to do is just copy the token address from here and remember the token under the base network. Now open your wallet. For this, I will use the Bitget wallet. Log into your account like that. It's easy and simple. After that, what you need to do from here, just select the base network as you can see. After that, click on this plus icon and paste your token address. And now this is it. So click on this plus icon. Now go back to your wallet to be able to find it. Just scroll down, wait a little bit. As you can see, this is it. Just click on it. After that, what you need to do is just click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with. For example, USDC. And make sure you have enough USDC on your wallet. Here, type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds and you will be able to see like that how much you will receive. After that, click on buy and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy AIGMX by Virtuos token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.